Vlogmas Day 8, everyone. It is almost 7 o'clock at night, and I need to make dinner and also clean this kitchen, so let's do it. One of the quickest and easiest recipes that we make is our Sloppy Joe casserole. I am going to do it in a skillet today. I'm not going to put it in the casserole. I'm going to do it in the skillet, which will make it actually even easier and quicker. So while I'm cooking, I'm also going to be cleaning. So yeah, let's do that because this is bleh. First things first, we got to brown 2 pounds of ground beef. I get the, can you read that? No, you can't. I get the 80-20 with the higher fat content, obviously. I'm also going to make the boys veggie tots. I have told you guys before that I try to stay away from them just because, like, the second ingredient is soybean oil and then enriched flour. And the carbs are pretty high. It is 13 grams of carbs grams of net carbs for 6 pieces. So I do try to stay away from those, but those are a good option for the boys who aren't keto. So yeah, I'm gonna throw those in real quick. So while the oven is preheating and the meat is cooking, I am going to just pick up a little bit and then I will get started on dishes. Turned that up a little bit. It was not browning very quickly. All right, our meat is nice and brown. I am just going to chop it up a little bit smaller. And then I am going to go strain it. Okay, so then to this, I turned the heat down. We are going to add some garlic. Onion powder. A little bit of chili powder. There we go. Okay. Next, we're going to start with about a half a can of tomato paste. I might end up using more. I never actually remember how much I use of this. The exact measurement is 1 kid's cup. I'm pretty sure I used the full can of tomato paste. I usually think I start with the half and then go to the full. But we're going to use the whole. Okie dokie, last ingredient is Worcestershire sauce. Did I say it right? Worcestershire. We like our Sloppy Joe casserole nice and thick, so we're going to keep it at this consistency. If you wanted it a little runnier, feel free to add more water. That's good. Oh shoot, I forgot the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Brown sugar. But in our world, it's brown monk fruit Lakanto sweetener. Boop. 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 Much better. All right, so I have that kind of doing its thing until the cheese gets all nice and melty. Again, you can do that in the oven. I was just going for time's sake today. It's about 7:25, so far it's taken me about a half hour. I am going to get the rest of this counter clean, and then dishes can wait until after I'm done eating. I also want to mention, most of the time when I make Sloppy Joe casserole, I always make my cornbread recipe, and I'll link that in the description and in the cards above. It's not my actual recipe, but it's the video I did. It's delicious. It's fantastic. It goes great with Sloppy Joe casserole. You could even put it on top of it, the batter, and then put it into the oven. I've wanted to try that. I just haven't yet. So that could be a really good option. But let's finish this little part of cleaning and then we can eat. Okay guys, so dinner is all done, and I really just wanted to share this with you guys because I think we get so caught up in our day-to-day lives and how busy everything is and all the things that we have on our plates going on that we can just get so overwhelmed and think that we don't have time to make food. That's a lot of the time I hear I don't have time to cook, I don't have time to do this. So I just wanted to show you guys that this is what 90% of our evenings look like, are cooking and cleaning at the same time or doing things like that, but still getting keto-friendly food on the table. It's just a lot easier to stick with our normal and what we know, and that is the easy, convenient foods of ordering out, ordering DoorDash, all of those kind of things. Pre-keto, we would order out all of the time. Most of our dinners weren't spent in the kitchen cooking at home. They were coming to us through the door. So I completely get it, but it is possible to make a healthy meal I did this probably in 35 minutes. I might have got a little distracted with cleaning, so it could have been done in 30 minutes, but yeah, so I'm gonna go eat and enjoy the rest of my night. I hope you guys do as well, and I will see you for day 9 of Vlogmas. Bye!